Welcome to the Sand and Track channel with a series on four-wheel drive systems where I explain how they work on different cars. Today's car is the Ford Ranger and also Ranger Raptor. 2H, which is the everyday driving mode. It's the simplest mode to begin with. This is the mode that you use for everyday normal driving, whether on highways, city roads, and in this mode, the power goes to the two rear wheels only. 4H or four-wheel drive high is for normal off-road driving. What this means is all four wheels are engaged, driving in sand, snow, mud, or even gravel roads. 4 low, or what they call low range. It's maximum torque for extreme conditions. Think of it as beast mode for your car. It reduces the speed of your car like a slow tractor, but it gives you maximum torque and power. It's perfect for rock crawling, soft sand driving, deep mud, steep climbs, or recovering from very tricky situations. 4A or 4 Auto is automatic 4x4 system where the car switches between 2H to 4H, so two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive depending on the road conditions and needs. Front and rear diff lock. The Ford is equipped with a front and rear diff locker. So when you put the car in 4x4 mode, you can engage the rear diff lock and also the front diff lock. And this is to be used when the car is stuck in extreme situations. Basically, what happens is when one wheel has no traction and it's spinning, the car will apply brakes to it so that the power will go to the wheel that has the most amount of traction. The Raptor Ranger has a number of different driving modes to choose from, starting with the normal mode, which is your everyday driving mode, which is balanced between comfort and efficiency. Next, you've got the sports mode, which enhances the throttle response on the car, allows for a much more aggressive driving experience. Slippery adjusts power delivery for preventing wheel spin in wet or icy conditions. Mud and ruts, it enables four-wheel low or 4 low if needed, and optimizes traction control and allows for some wheel spin to keep momentum going. The sand adjusts and increases the throttle response and also tries to minimize wheel spin to prevent getting stuck. Baja mode is the most aggressive mode on this car. It's designed for high-speed desert driving. It increases the throttle response, traction control, and also shocks for maximum dampening. And the last mode is the rock crawl, where it engages 4 low. It optimizes also throttle sensitivity and allows for precise control over rocky terrain. Traction control, why do you need to disable it? It's because when you drive off-road, you do not want the car to think that the wheels are spinning, and you do not want it to cut the power to your wheels. I really hope you found this video useful. Choosing the right 4x4 setting makes a huge difference in off-road driving. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more off-road explanations and leave any comments below. Thank you.